Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then, we are back with close-up coins. There are 5 coins to guess, and a little bit in the theme of the 2022 annual coin set. There's a £5 coin, 2 £2 coins, and also 2 50p coins to guess. We don't need the specific year these coins are made, just what commemorative design is on the coins. Again, comment 1 to 5 in the comments section below, with the corresponding commemorative coin next to the number. Let's see if you can all guess these ones correct. I might have been a little bit mean with some of them, but I still can't believe just how many of you keep getting all 5 of these correct. I've put it on loop a couple of times so you can concentrate without me really talking in the background, and hopefully then you will be able to guess them all correct. I'll leave it open for 48 hours, check back in and see how many of them you managed to guess correct. And I will put all of those people that managed to get 5 at the end of the video, if anybody does manage to get all 5 of these ones correct. So best of luck with your coin hunts this week. The next video is going to be that community coin hunts find video. As a family, as a community, all the coins that we have managed to find together halfway through the first week, and at the end of the week we will see who is the community coin hunt finder of week number 1 of 52 this year. Best of luck in the close-up coins, and as always guys, thanks for watching.